This video will introduce the necessary steps to create an application that utilizes capacitive touch sensing using IAR Embedded Workbench. This video consists of 3 parts. Following Part 2. Part 3 describes the procedure for monitoring the touch interface. After disconnecting from the debugging tool, disconnect the USB cable connecting the PC and the target board, and open the QE serial connection selection jumper. Then, reconnect the PC and the target board with the USB cable. Click Connect to establish a serial connection with the target board. In the board monitor panel in the upper left corner, click Enable Monitoring. When you touch the touch sensor, its state will be represented by a finger icon. Graphically display the touch count values in a status chart. Click the Status Chart tab and select the touch interface you want to display from the Touch IF section of the displayed status chart screen. The graph displays the touch count values in real time. When you touch the selected touch sensor, you can confirm that the touch count value changes on the graph. The green line represents the threshold. The red rectangle at the bottom of the graph indicates that a touch has been detected because the touch count value has exceeded the threshold. For more information on other status chart functions and multi-status chart, please refer to the application note.